Hello everyone, welcome to THK Securities video. Today we'll show you anti-theft laptop bag and a tablet bag. This is an anti-theft tablet bag or a mini laptop bag which can carry your laptop or tablet in the size range of 6 inch to 10 inch. This is an anti-theft laptop bag wherein size of your laptop could be 10 inch to 16 inches. This is an anti-theft bags. We'll show you how the product actually works. This is much unique product in the market. It's developed by THK Security. Now we'll show you in one of the product itself, because both the products are same. We put this back aside for a time being. Now this is an anti-theft bag. Now we'll show this product is a bag wherein in this product we have kept a mechanism wherein a powerful alarm would go on if there is any snatched from your hand. These days we know that laptops and tablets are being stolen by a lot of thieves whenever you're going around in your metro or in your local trains, or even when you're traveling around in your city. Now we'll show you how the product actually works. Here you get an aux port, a normal 3.5 mm jack aux port, like this. You might have seen this aux port in your cables and in your speaker phones. Now one end of the aux port is to be plugged in the black box given out here. It has a jack for our aux port. One end has to be plugged in. Like this. The other end is to be plugged in the bag. At the side of the bag there is a jack provided here, as you can see here. In this bag it is provided here. Now you just have to plug it in. This is the end that you're supposed to tie it somewhere in your body. For example, you can tie it in your belt or keep it in your hand, or you can plug it somewhere in your jeans, or if you're carrying some small bag sort of thing, you can tie it there. Now this key is given to you. It will be plugged in here, and you can start the mechanism like this. Plug the key inside and start the system, and take the key off. In this bag the key is to be plugged in here as shown here. This end would be with you as you are tied it with your body or your belt or your purse. As you can see the product, how it's kept, how it's tied. Okay. Now whenever any thief tries to snatch your bag, there will be a powerful alarm that will go on. We'll show you how the alarm would go on. Whenever anyone will try to snatch the bag, this is how the alarm would go on. Make sure that the key that you're putting, the key provided with the bag, you do not put the key in the bag itself. The reason is, any thief who steals your bag will open the pouch and deactivate the alarm, and it will be of no use. So the key has to be in your pocket itself. Here the key has to be inserted here as mentioned earlier. So this is how the anti-theft laptop bag and the tablet bag work. This made by THK Security and is marketed by Oshop Trades in India. Thank you very much for your precious time. You can follow us on THK Security Facebook pages and on YouTube pages. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day.